Welcome to the Explainer. All right, let's just get straight into it today. We've all been there, right? You're scrolling for hours, binge-watching some 22-year-old flashing a rented Lamborghini while aggressively pointing at a Shopify dashboard from a beach in Bali. They're promising you this secret six-figure system, but, your bank account hasn't budged an inch. You actually want to know how to make money online with AI tools, but without all the fluff. And look, the issue isn't that those methods don't work. The issue is that soul-crushing gap between your hyped-up expectations and the cold, hard reality of the daily grind. So today, we are dissecting the 2025 AI Execution Blueprint, 5 battle-tested paths to digital wealth.
Here's our roadmap for this breakdown. We're going to cover faceless YouTube channels, surgical digital products, KDP and viral TikToks, high-ticket AI services, AI curated newsletters, and then we're wrapping up with a critical reality check. But first, let's talk about the harsh truth. $0. Nothing. That is what a copy-paste dream usually gets you. You're inundated with motivational clips all day, but real internet money is a bit different. It actually shares 3 deeply unsexy traits. You have to suck at it first, you get paid for showing up daily, and the results compound. The longer you push the boulder, the lighter it gets. So if you are ready for a grueling, stubborn refusal to quit, I'm going to give you the exact prompts, the specific tools like Gemini AI, and the actual financial math you need to execute these paths.
All right, method 1, faceless YouTube channels and CPM arbitrage.
This method has absolutely exploded lately, mostly because it allows you to build a massive media asset without ever once aiming a camera at your face. The secret here is focusing on what we call greedy advertisers. These are niches like finance or software where advertisers will gladly pay up to $30 per 1,000 views. In this model, you are the director and the AI is your production staff. Step 1 is niche research. Go over to Gemini AI and use this exact prompt. Act as a YouTube market analyst. Identify 5 hyper-specific sub-niches in the B2B software or wealth management sectors that historically have a CPM above $25. For each, provide 3 searchable video titles focusing on beginner pain points. Now, once you have a great title, you need an engaging script. Use this follow-up. Write a 1,500-word engaging YouTube script for your title. Start with a shocking hook in the first 10 seconds. Use a hook value loop structure to maximize audience retention.
So, what does your actual production pipeline look like? Well, after step 1's research, you move straight into step 2, scripting and voice. You're going to pipe that AI-generated script right into 11 Labs. Use their speech-to-speech or professional voice cloning features to get a voice that sounds, frankly, terrifyingly human. Those old robotic Alexa voices, totally dead. Then you hit step 3, visuals and editing. Slap that new voiceover onto some high-quality stock footage using an online editor like CapCut or Adobe Express. These tools are amazing because they let you add punchy subtitles and dynamic transitions to keep people clicking and watching until the very end.
Let's actually break down the expected earnings for a second because the unit economics here are incredible. Imagine you hit 100,000 views a month in a finance niche with a $12 RPM. You are pocketing $1,200 just from the ad revenue alone. Then you add a $20 affiliate product. With just a 1% conversion rate on those same 100,000 views, you make another $1,200. That's $2,400 total. This is exactly how you make money online with AI tools at real scale. Moving right along to method 2, surgical digital products on Etsy and Gumroad. Listen, selling generic daily planners is basically a death sentence in this space right now. You need surgical specificity. You have to find a hungry subculture and build exactly what they need. For step 1, the gap analysis, ask Gemini AI this verbatim prompt. Scan current 2025 trends for small business owners. Identify 5 underserved subgroups like mobile pet groomers or boutique coffee roasters who need organization templates. List 3 digital assets they would buy to save 5 hours of work per week. See, you're relying entirely on the AI's trend analysis to point you directly toward guaranteed demand. Once you've found that gap, it's time to execute. For step 2, product creation, let's say you decided on a client onboarding packet for freelance photographers. Have Gemini AI write the content for you. Write a 10-page client guide for wedding photographers covering timeline expectations, wardrobe tips, and next steps. Then take that raw text straight over to Canva. You can use their AI Magic Studio to instantly generate aesthetic layouts and custom imagery. Seriously, you don't even need to be a graphic designer anymore. Finally, step 3, SEO and listing. Etsy is a search engine, right? So treat it like one. Use this prompt for your listing.
I am selling a product on Etsy, generate 13 high-intent tags and a 500-word SEO description focusing on the time-saving benefits for the buyer. The absolute magic of this method comes down to the margins. Let's say you sell a luxury real estate presentation deck for $15. If you get just 50 sales a month, that's $750 of pure profit. Why? Because your cost of goods is literally zero. Scale that up to 100 different listings, and suddenly you're looking at $5,000 or more every single month.
All right, let's dive into method 3, KDP and the TikTok viral loop.
If you're not familiar, Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to publish books that Amazon actually prints and ships for you, entirely bypassing expensive Amazon ads by using TikTok for free traffic. The strategy is to create low-content or viral books, things like journals, coloring books, or funny quote books. Step 1 is the creative prompt. Go to Gemini AI and type, "Generate 30 hilarious, relatable quotes for burned-out tech support workers that would work in a novelty gift book." Also suggest 5 visual themes for the interior pages. You format all of that in Canva and generate a striking cover using Midjourney. But the real engine here is step 3, the TikTok formula. You post 2 to 3 videos a day showing off the book. Use this exact prompt for your TikTok hooks. Create 5 viral video concepts for TikTok to promote a book type. Include hooks that tap into the audience's frustration or humor, and include trending hashtags like KDP and hashtag worklife. And the math on a viral loop? It's staggering. Say you price your book at $16. If just one video goes viral and hits 100,000 views, a simple 1% conversion rate means 1,000 sales. That is over $7,000 from a single video. It really only takes one viral loop to completely change your entire month. Next up is method 4, high-ticket AI design services. This is how you become an AI-powered agency of one. Look, we need to stop selling $5 logos. It's a race to the bottom. Instead, you need to offer high-end marketing assets to professionals who simply have way more money than they have time. To package your skills as a premium agency, start with step 1, defining that luxury offer. Use Gemini AI. Draft a premium marketing package for high-end real estate agents. Include 5 AI-generated property descriptions, 10 aesthetic Instagram templates, and a custom neighborhood guide PDF. Price this package at $497. Once you have your slick new offer, go find some agents on LinkedIn and use this exact prompt to create a non-spammy DM outreach. Write a 3-sentence DM to a real estate agent, offering a free AI-generated sample of a property description for one of their current listings to show the quality of my work. With your offer totally defined and your outreach strategy ready to go, step 2 is execution. This is where AI truly gives you an unfair advantage. You use Gemini AI for all the copywriting, and then use Adobe Firefly or Canva AI for the high-end visuals. These tools allow you to produce work in 1 hour that realistically used to take 10. It's like you are essentially time traveling, completing a full agency's workload entirely by yourself. Let's look at the expected earnings on this. If you close just 4 clients a month at $500 per package, that is $2,000 a month for maybe 10 hours of actual production work. This is arguably the smartest way to learn how to make money online with AI tools, because the leverage you get on your time is just astronomically high. Bringing us to method 5, the AI-driven curated newsletter. Because today, curation is the new creation. Building an email list gives you something incredibly valuable: owned digital real estate. People will literally pay with their attention to save time. So every week, go to Gemini AI and use this curation workflow. Scan the top 10 news stories in niche from the last 7 days, summarize them into 3 punchy bullet points each. Add a Why It Matters section for each story written in a conversational, witty tone. For hosting, use platforms like Beehiiv or Substack and have Gemini write your subject lines to guarantee high open rates. Then, the fun part, when you hit 1,000 subscribers, use this monetization prompt. Write a 150-word sponsor shout-out for a product that blends naturally into a newsletter about niche. How this scales over time is the ultimate goal. Think about it. With just 2,000 subscribers, you can charge $100 to $200 per ad per send. If you send twice a week, you're suddenly making $800 to $1,600 a month. And that's not even counting any affiliate commissions. It's a fantastic compounding asset that perfectly rounds out these 5 specific blueprints. Which brings us to our final section, the critical reality check. I want to make internet money is a wish. I will make $500 a month from Gumroad by October is a weapon. Let that resonance settle for a second. You need an incredibly sharp, specific target to actually succeed in this space.
Generalities will absolutely not pay your bills.
So here are your rules of engagement. Listen closely. Do not try all 5 of these. Pick one. Give it 90 brutal, focused days. You will definitely find obstacles. You're going to have to fact check the AI so it doesn't just hallucinate garbage. But every single time you overcome a difficulty, you gain actual awareness and very real skills. Now, as promised in the source material, I've created a massive breakdown document that's linked right in the description. It maps out all these models, the real startup costs, and the actual earnings ceilings. It's completely free. I don't even want your email address for it. I just want you to make an informed choice. It's time to stop being a consumer and start being a creator.
Remember, the AI won't do the work for you, but it will absolutely multiply the work you do. So jump into the comments right now and tell me, which of these 5 methods are you committing your next 90 days to? Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next explainer.